Hi friends, hope all are doing great. Today's our topic is installation of WINRAR. Just go to Google, type it as WINRAR. Select the first link, WINRAR, download free and support. Here, download WINRAR. Click on this button. Then next, select this, download WINRAR. See here the WINRAR of 64 bits .exe is downloading here. It will take few minutes. After the download is completed, just double click on it. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. Then click on install button. Here select add WinRAR to desktop, add WinRAR to start menu. Just select these check boxes. Then click on OK button. Then done. So WinRAR is installed successfully. I hope you understood how to install the WinRAR, friends. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Have a great day.